Are you aware of the tiny creatures that could be wreaking havoc in your body? Are you at risk? Let's listen to what Dr. Smith told me when we were chatting at the university cafeteria. Stay tuned to the end of the video for a helpful summary with all the information. Dr. Smith, your lecture on tropical diseases today was fascinating. I was especially intrigued by malaria and dysentery. They seem so different, but both are really dangerous. Can you tell me more about how they work?
I'm glad you found it interesting, Emily. Yes, malaria and dysentery are quite different in their mechanisms, but both have significant impacts on global health. Malaria is caused by a parasite called Plasmodium, which is transmitted through the bite of an infected female mosquito. Once in the bloodstream, the parasite invades red blood cells, causing symptoms like fever, chills, and severe anemia.
That's terrifying. And the mosquito is just a carrier, right?
Exactly. The mosquito is the vector. It doesn't cause the disease, but transmits the Plasmodium parasite. What's fascinating is how the parasite has evolved to exploit the mosquito for its own life cycle. Inside the mosquito, the parasite goes through sexual reproduction before being passed on to the next human host. This cycle makes malaria incredibly challenging to control, especially in tropical regions where these mosquitoes thrive.
So it's all about the life cycle of the parasite and the mosquito. But what about dysentery? I know it's an intestinal disease, but what causes it?
Dysentery, on the other hand, is typically caused by either a bacterial infection or an amoeba, another protist, specifically Entamoeba histolytica. Both types of dysentery cause severe diarrhea, often with blood and mucus, due to the inflammation and ulceration of the intestinal lining. The disease spreads primarily through contaminated water or food, making it particularly common in areas with poor sanitation.
So while malaria is spread by mosquitoes, dysentery is more about hygiene and water quality, isn't it? But why does dysentery cause such severe symptoms?
That's a good question. In bacterial dysentery, the production of toxins damage the intestinal lining, leading to inflammation, pain, and the characteristic bloody diarrhea. With amoebic dysentery, the amoeba invades the intestinal wall, causing ulcers and further tissue damage. The body's immune response to these invaders also contributes to the severity of the symptoms.
Wow, it's amazing how different these diseases are, yet they both can be so deadly. What makes malaria and dysentery so hard to control in many parts of the world?
Several factors contribute to the difficulty in controlling these diseases. For malaria, the widespread presence of Anopheles mosquitoes, especially in rural and tropical areas, combined with the parasite's ability to develop resistance to treatments, poses a huge challenge. With dysentery, the main issue is poor sanitation and lack of clean, drinkable water, which allows the bacteria or amoeba to spread easily. In both cases, socioeconomic factors play a major role. Lack of water purification plants and education, and limited access to healthcare intensify the situation.
It sounds like a lot needs to be done on multiple fronts. Improving sanitation to facilitate access to drinking water, healthcare access, and maybe even developing new treatments. Are there any recent breakthroughs in tackling these diseases?
Yes, there's always ongoing research. For malaria, new anti-malarial drugs are being developed, and there's a lot of hope in the RTS-AS01 vaccine, which was recently approved by the WHO for dysentery. Improving water quality and sanitation is key, but there's also work being done on vaccines, particularly for bacterial dysentery. Education and public health initiatives are crucial as well. They help people understand how to protect themselves and prevent the spread of these diseases.
That's really encouraging. It seems like there's a lot of work to be done, but it's possible to make a big difference. Thanks for explaining all of this, Dr. Smith. It's made me even more curious to learn about these diseases.
I'm glad to hear that, Emily. Curiosity is the first step toward discovery. Keep asking questions, and who knows, you might be the one to make the next big breakthrough in fighting these diseases.
I'll do my best. Thanks again, Dr. Smith.
Anytime, Emily. Keep up the good work.
Now that we've touched on this topic, let's explore the world of protists in more detail. Protists are a diverse group of eukaryotic microorganisms that play crucial roles in various ecosystems. Ranging from single-celled organisms like amoebas to multicellular forms like algae, they exhibit incredible diversity. Studying protists is essential for understanding ecological interactions and their impact on food webs. Additionally, some protists are vital in medicine, as they can cause diseases like malaria. Fascinating examples include the bioluminescent dinoflagellates that light up ocean waves and the giant kelp that forms underwater forests, showcasing their ecological significance. Protists are classified into three main groups based on their characteristics: protozoa, animal-like; algae, plant-like; and fungus-like protists. Protozoa, such as amoebas, are known for their ability to move and consume food. On the other hand, algae perform photosynthesis and contribute significantly to oxygen production. Fungus-like protists, including slime molds, play a role in decomposition. This classification is vital for understanding the immense diversity within the protist kingdom and helps scientists study their ecological roles and evolutionary relationships more effectively. Taxonomy is the science of classifying living organisms, and it plays a crucial role in biology by providing a structured framework for understanding biodiversity. The Linnaean system categorizes protists into hierarchical ranks, including domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. For example, the common amoeba is classified as Amoeba proteus, while the green algae Chlamydomonas reinhardti belongs to the genus Chlamydomonas. This systematic approach helps scientists communicate effectively about protists and their relationships within the broader tree of life. Protists exhibit a basic cellular structure characterized by eukaryotic cells, which contain organelles such as the nucleus, mitochondria, and chloroplasts. While all protists share these fundamental features, their anatomy varies significantly among groups. For instance, protozoa, animal-like protists, may have specialized structures for movement like flagella or cilia, while algae, plant-like protists, possess chloroplasts for photosynthesis. These anatomical adaptations are crucial for survival and reproduction, enabling protists to thrive in diverse environments and efficiently carry out essential life processes. Structure of protists. Protists exhibit various structural adaptations that enable them to thrive in their environments. The cell membrane provides flexibility and protection, while some protists, like diatoms, have rigid cell walls made of silica. Locomotion structures, such as flagella in euglena and cilia in paramecium, facilitate movement through water. For example, the flexible body of an amoeba allows it to change shape and navigate through substrates. These structural features influence the ecological roles of protists, from nutrient cycling to serving as primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. Physiology of protists. Protists exhibit diverse physiological processes that enable their survival in various habitats. Nutrition methods vary, with some protists, like algae, utilizing photosynthesis to produce energy, while others, such as amoebas, rely on phagocytosis to engulf food particles. Reproduction can occur through binary fission, where a single cell divides into two identical cells, or through conjugation, allowing genetic exchange between individuals. These physiological adaptations are crucial for protists, enabling them to thrive in environments ranging from freshwater to marine ecosystems and even within host organisms. Ecology of protists. Protists play vital ecological roles, particularly as primary producers in aquatic ecosystems. Through photosynthesis, algae protists, such as phytoplankton, form the base of food webs, supporting a variety of marine life. Additionally, protists often engage in symbiotic relationships, meaning with mutual benefits, such as zooxanthellae living within coral, providing essential nutrients. They also contribute significantly to nutrient cycling by breaking down organic matter, releasing nutrients back into the environment. This multifaceted impact underscores the importance of protists in maintaining ecosystem health and balance. Economic importance of protists. Protists, particularly algae, hold significant economic value across various industries. In the food sector, algae are used as nutritious ingredients in products like sushi and health supplements. They also find applications in cosmetics for their moisturizing properties and in biofuels as a renewable energy source. In pharmaceuticals, protists contribute to medical research, leading to the development of treatments for diseases like malaria. Additionally, protists play a crucial role in aquaculture and fisheries, serving as essential food sources for fish and other aquatic organisms, supporting global food security. Diseases caused by protists. Protists are responsible for several significant diseases that impact human health, with malaria and amoebic dysentery being notable examples. Malaria, caused by Plasmodium species, is transmitted through the bites of infected mosquitoes, leading to symptoms like fever, chills, and fatigue. Amoebic dysentery, caused by Entamoeba histolytica, spreads through contaminated water and food, resulting in severe diarrhea and abdominal pain. Preventing these diseases involves strategies such as mosquito control and improved sanitation, while effective treatments are crucial for reducing morbidity and mortality associated with these infections. In summary, protists showcase remarkable diversity and play essential ecological roles, from being primary producers in food webs to contributing to nutrient cycling. Their economic importance spans various industries, including food, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. Furthermore, protists significantly impact human health through diseases like malaria and amoebic dysentery, highlighting their relevance in health and environmental science. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more engaging content on the fascinating world of living beings. I hope this video has helped you study for your exam. What other videos would you like to see? Let me know in the comments.